Most people have lost the battle for their health before 9 a.m. They wake up, spike their stress hormones with caffeine, and then crash their blood sugar with a high-carb breakfast. Today, I am giving you the perfect metabolic morning protocol. We are moving beyond the marketing of breakfast and looking at the raw biochemistry. These 3 steps cost almost nothing, but they will change your energy, focus, and fat burning for the rest of the day. Step 1. Hydrate before you caffeinate. During the night, you lose water and essential minerals. Your adrenal glands need sodium to regulate your blood pressure and your natural cortisol rise. The hack: drink 16 ounces of water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. This stabilizes your internal environment. If you jump straight to coffee, you overstimulate your cortisol, which triggers your liver to dump sugar into your blood. By starting with salt and water, you provide the minerals your body needs to wake up naturally, preventing that mid-morning crash. Step 2. Delay your caffeine. Your body has a built-in alarm clock called the cortisol awakening response. Your stress hormones peak about 30 to 45 minutes after you wake up to give you natural alertness. Adding caffeine to this peak is like pouring gasoline on a fire. It forces a massive glucose spike. The hack: wait 90 minutes. Let your natural cortisol do its job, then use caffeine as a tool later in the morning. This protects your skeletal muscles' ability to manage sugar later in the day. Use biology, not just stimulation. Step 3. When you finally break your fast, prioritize protein. This is your metabolic anchor. Breaking your fast with naked carbs like toast or fruit juice causes an insulin surge that shuts down fat burning. But eating 30 grams of protein first triggers satiety hormones like PYY and GLP-1, telling your brain you're full. The hack: start with eggs, Greek yogurt, or a clean protein source. You aren't just eating, you're programming your brain. The morning is the only part of the day you can truly control. Mastering these steps makes you the master of your biology. I've put the research links and the 3-step checklist in the description below. Join the movement for truth. Share this with one person who struggles with energy. Subscribe to DrPKlyfe and let nature help heal you. I'll see you tomorrow.